Okay, Ola, I have to show you guys something that's literally been sitting in my closet for months because I was debating whether I was going to use it or not, but I really, really need help cleaning. And that there's just like, it's not even that much stuff. This is a one bedroom with like a little den. There is not that much stuff to clean, but for me, it's a lot to clean. So I have here the iRobot Roomba combo. This is the J7 Plus. I was debating whether I was gonna return it or what I wanted to do with this, but I decided I'm gonna try to use it and see if it works. So here I'm trying to do a little unboxing. I've never had a Roomba before, but I did get this during one of those sales that they did. I don't know what, like, I got it at a discount for one of their like circle deals, like a student discount or whatever. Trying to open it, but I've been meaning to open it for a while. But yeah, I just couldn't decide, am I returning it, am I keeping it? And it does say it has the sweeping and the, you'll need your robot charging station and power cord. Oh my god, my nail. So, it's stuck to it. So it does come with instructions. Here's the power cord. Here is, hold on, open this later. This is to prepare the mop. Oh, I have to do a mapping run before setting your mop. So this is the mopping stuff. So it looks like I will need some type of cleaner. Remove the robot first, then the charging station. Is this the charging station or the robot? This is just an extra filter and suspension, I think. Oh my gosh, okay. I'm making a huge mess. This is really cute. This looks nicer than I thought. This is really good. Yeah, it says remove the robot first. And I'm like, it's kind of under the dock. Oh, this looks nice. This looks very nice, actually. So I have to do a lot of prep, but it does look nicer than the photos. I think I just launched some of the packaging. Yeah. So I'm gonna set this down. I'm gonna need to read a lot of instructions, which is like probably why I'm a little bit out of my depth with this one. Oh, I see. If anyone does need help with cleaning and stuff, it is me. So after I was like, I don't know, it would be that. I feel like there's one more tiny, and I'm always looking at the tiny stuff. Should I keep this box? Like, will I be able to fit this in the box? I don't know what type of like unboxing I'm doing. Oh, we're here. Oh, that's nice. Okay, this is like a lot. It has like bags in there. Okay, I'm definitely gonna follow the instructions. But there are quite a few things going on here. Is there anything in here? Yeah, there's quite a few things going on because it is sweeping and mopping. But I am really excited to show you guys. So yeah, I have to show you guys. Bye. Let me put this together. Bye.